Good afternoon, Year 2, and welcome to your times tables lesson of the week. I'm going to share my screen now, and today we're going to be working on our 10 times tables. Okay, so today we're going to recall and use multiplication facts for the 10 times tables. So, first of all, can you highlight all of the numbers in the tens times table on a number square, or as far as you can go in your books? Pause the screen, off you go. Well done. I've highlighted them now on my board. What patterns can you see? So what patterns can you see? Write them down on your books. Pause the screen. Okay, so I can see that my tens are going up by one number each time. So it goes from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. And my ones are staying the same, and in every number I've got 0 extra ones. Okay. So let's say the tens times tables together. So 1 times 10 is, well done if you got it right. 2 times 10 is, 3 times 10 is, 4 times 10 is, 5 times 10 is, 6 times 10 is, 7 times 10 is, 8 times 10 is, 9 times 10 is, 10 times 10 is, so that's 100. 11 times 10 is 110. So what is 12 times 10 going to be? 120. Well done if you were getting all of those wrong. So we're going to count in tens now to work out how many cubes there are altogether. Pause your screen and have a go. Fantastic. Right, let's work together and count in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Well done if you got it right. Now it's your turn. How many diamonds are there? So on each card of diamonds, there are 10. How many are there altogether? Pause the screen. Okay, let's see if you got it right. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Easy. Well done. How many marbles are there altogether? There's 10 in each bag. Okay, well done. Let's see if you got it right. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Fantastic, if that's what you got. Well done. So how do we write this as a calculation? We've got 3 groups, 1, 2, 3, and they're all of 10. So let's see if we can write this as a calculation. 3 times 10, because we know our times sign equals groups of, so we can take it out and we can put the times sign in there. Now it's your turn. What will be the calculation for this picture? How many groups have you got? How many are in each group? Pause the screen. Okay, well done. So let's count our groups. We've got 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in each of them, we've got 10. So it's 5 groups of 10. And we can write that as 5 times 10. We can take the groups of out and put the times sign. So 5 times 10 is 50. What's the calculation here? What's this picture? How many groups have we got? How many's in each group? I've got 2 groups of 10. And my answer is 2 times 10 is 20. Okay, I've done one for you, but can you match these number sentences over here to the answer on this side? Off you go. Pause the screen. Okay, fantastic. So 4 times 10, I'm going to get my 4 fingers up and I'm going to count each one in tens because I've got 4 groups. It's going to be 10, so 10, 20, 30, 40. And then 9, I'm going to do the same. I'm going to count in tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So my answer is 90. And I'm going to do the same now, pause the screen again and have another go at doing these ones. Okay, well done. So now we're noticing a pattern. When we times by 10, our tens move a place, our number moves a place value along. So 7 moves up into the tens, and then it has 0, 1, so it becomes 70. So 7 times 10 will be 70. 5 times 10 will be, 10 times 10 will be 100, and 5 times 10 will be 50. And when it's 10 times 10, my 10 already has a 10. So that 1 becomes a 10, and then the zeros fill the rest of the place value spaces. See if you can do this one following the rules. Pause the screen if you need to. Okay, well done. So we've got 9 times 10, it's going to become 90. 3 times 10 is going to become 30. And 11 times 10 is going to become 110 because my 11, my ones in my 10s are going to go up into my hundreds. The next 10 is going to go up in there, and then my 0 is going to go at the end. Right. Let's see how quickly you can answer a question. Let's go. When you see the question, write down the answer as quickly as you can. Okay. So we're going to use the stopwatch. Ready? You've got 10 seconds, but let's aim to beat 5 seconds. Go. 4 times 10. Write it down. 40. Fantastic. Next one. 1 times 10. Fantastic. Equals 10. Because whenever we times anything by 1, it stays the same. Let's go. Who's done it already? What's it going to be? 90. Well done if you got it right. Fantastic. Right, and let's move on past these ones now. Do some more practicing later, and let's try some problems. So if there are 3 people and each person has 10 toes, how many toes are there all together? See if you can work it out. Pause if you need to. Okay, let's count in 10s and see how many toes there are. 10, 20, 30. So who else got 30? And my number sentence would be 3 times 10 equals 30. Each bag has 10 marbles. I have 5 bags. How many marbles do I have? So draw your 5 bags and how many marbles are going to be in each bag. So let's put 10 in each, draw it and work out the answer. Pause if you need to. Okay, so I've got 10 bags, and in each bag I've got 5 bags, sorry, and in each bag I've got 10 marbles. So I've got 5 groups of 10, which equals 50. There are 2 children. How many fingers do they have all together? So each child has 10. How many fingers they have each together, and write down the number sentence too. Okay, pause if you need to. Right, so we've got 2 times 10 is 20 because it's 2 groups of 10 fingers. Right, and now you're going to do some show me tasks. The first show me task you need to do is you've got to circle all the numbers here that do not belong in the 10 times table and tell me why. You've got to write the number sentence for this picture of how many diamonds there are. And here you've got to be the teacher and read through and check which of these number sentences are right and which of them are wrong. And if they're wrong, you've got to tell me how to make them right. Pause the screen now, have fun. Goodbye.